Is your MikroTik router vulnerable to hack? In this tutorial, you will learn how to protect your MikroTik router from hacking. Let's get it started. Step number 1. Telnet is available for command line configuration, though it is not a secure protocol. All usernames and passwords are sent in plain text and easy to sniff with tools like Wireshark or Cain and Abel. So you should disable Telnet and use SSH instead. To disable Telnet, click on New Terminal on left pane, type IP service, then hit enter, and then type set telnet disabled equal to yes. Now telnet service is disabled, and then to view status type print where name equal to telnet. Here telnet service is disabled. SSH gives techniques the ability to administer a router from the command line securely. It's also possible to securely transfer files over an SSH connection. It's recommended that you enable more robust encryption cheapers using the following command. Type IPSSH set strong crypto equal to yes. Now hit enter. To view a status, type IPSSH print, then hit enter and check cheaper is auto, strong crypto yes, host key size 2048 and host key type RSA. Now the third step. Some organizations beholden to higher security standards require that SSH keys be regenerated on a regular basis. And the following commands for regenerating random SSH encryption keys. Type SSH regenerate host key. For confirmation, press Y and then enter. You need to restart your router. Type system reboot. For confirmation, press Y and then enter, and then the router will restart. Now fourth step. FTP is used to upload and download files. Like Telnet, FTP sends all authentication in the clear, unencrypted, and should not be the first choice for moving files. For securely transferring files, it's recommended that SSH be used instead. And all modern FTP clients like FileZilla support secure file transfers. Disabling FTP also satisfies infrastructure router. Now type IP service, hit enter, and then type set FTP disabled equal to yes, and then FTP is disabled. To view status, type print where name equal to FTP, and you will find here FTP service is disabled. Now step number 4. For security reason, you can disable or rename the default admin account. To create a new admin user in MikroTik RouterOS, run the following simple command. To create an admin user, type user add name equal to username, comment equal to user full name, then password equal to your password, and then group equal to full, that means administrator user, then hit enter. User is created. Now click on system on left pane and then click on user, and look, the admin user John Paul is created. And now you need to disable default administrator user. Right click on the default administrator user admin and then click on disable, and the default administrator user is disabled. That's it. This is the best way to secure or protect your MikroTik router from hackers.